Grant City, Staten Island, where old-world charm and practicality thrive in symmetrical streetscapes. Welcome to Prodigy Real Estate's overview of Grant City. Grant City is a neighborhood located on Staten Island's East Shore, seamlessly blends old-world charm, practicality, and thoughtful urban planning, offers residents and visitors a delightful living experience on Staten Island. From its convenient transportation options to its symmetrical street grid, Grant City is a haven for those seeking a harmonious blend of historic beauty and modern functionality. Located within walking distance of Grant City is a train station that connects residents to the Staten Island Ferry. This transportation link provides a convenient and scenic route for those commuting to Manhattan or exploring the rest of New York City. With regular train service and a direct connection to the ferry terminal, residents of Grant City enjoy easy access to the vibrant heart of the city while still reveling in the tranquility of their charming neighborhood. One of the distinctive features of Grant City is its meticulously planned symmetrical street grid. As you walk along the tree-lined streets, you'll notice the precise layout and evenly spaced blocks, lending an air of order and harmony to the neighborhood. This thoughtful urban design creates a sense of continuity and ease of navigation, allowing residents and visitors to explore Grant City with ease. Imagine strolling down one of Grant City's picturesque tree-lined streets. The soft rustling of leaves overhead creates a soothing symphony, providing respite from the bustling city. The trees, their branches reaching out like welcoming arms, cast dappled shadows on the sidewalks, creating a serene and refreshing atmosphere. As you walk, you'll encounter a charming blend of architectural styles. Historic homes, with their ornate details and elegant facades, stand as a testament to Grant City's rich heritage. Well-preserved Victorian houses boast intricately carved woodwork, while colonial revival residences exude timeless elegance. Each home tells a story, inviting you to imagine the lives of the families who have made Grant City their home throughout the years. Beyond the residential buildings, Grant City's tree-lined streets are dotted with small businesses, local shops, and cozy cafes. The inviting storefronts and outdoor seating areas create a vibrant and friendly atmosphere, where neighbors gather to socialize and visitors can immerse themselves in the local community. It's also important to note, the Lincoln Avenue condominiums are located in Grant City, which is one of the larger mid-rise condominiums. The condominium building at 145 Lincoln Avenue was built in 1964 and has 7 stories and 148 units. Grant City's commitment to preserving its old-world charm is evident in the meticulous upkeep of the neighborhood. Homeowners take pride in maintaining their properties, ensuring that the historical integrity of the houses is preserved. Vibrant gardens bloom with colorful flowers, adding a touch of natural beauty to the streetscape. In conclusion, Grant City, Staten Island, offers a harmonious blend of old-world charm, practicality, and thoughtful urban planning. Its convenient transportation options, including the train station that connects to the Staten Island Ferry, provide easy access to the city while maintaining a sense of tranquility. The symmetrical street grid enhances the neighborhood's walkability and aesthetic appeal. Walking down the tree-lined streets of Grant City, you'll find yourself immersed in a picturesque environment, surrounded by historic homes, vibrant gardens, and a welcoming community atmosphere. It is a neighborhood that encapsulates the timeless allure of Staten Island, inviting residents and visitors alike to experience its unique blend of history, charm, and practicality.